Hello everyone, welcome to the series of most repeated question. So here we are going to do next two important questions which are important for SAT. So question is right here in the figure line LQ intersects MP at point R. LM is parallel to PQ. These two lines are parallel. The length of MR is given, MR and RP is given. MR is 8 units and MP is MR and RP. RP is a 14 units. You have to find out the area of PQR where area of LMR is given, which is 36 square units. Area is given, right? Now how to do this question? Do we know the relation? Whatever is given first, remember that. One thing is given, LM is parallel to PQ. If these two are parallel, can I say this angle equals to this angle? How? Why? Alternate angles. Or whenever two lines are intersecting, these two angles are equal. They are vertically opposite angle. So from AA criteria, I can say that these two triangles, triangle LMR and triangle PQR, they are similar. So whenever two lines are parallel, just prove the similarity. Okay. Now if they are similar, so do you know there is a relation? There is a relation between the areas of both the triangles, both the similar triangles and their sides. So I can say that ratios of area equals to the ratios of squares of their sides. So let me write, and I think so that you can understand better after writing. Area of LMR equals to area of PQR equals to whatever is the side. I need only one side. So for LMR, I'll use MR as side, and for this triangle PQR, I am going to use RP as a side. It's whole square because we are using area here. If we would have been writing volume, then we would have written cube here. Remember the concept. Okay. So area of LMR is given. It is 36. So I'll write 36. Area of PQR is not given. I have to find it out. MR is what? 8. RP is 14. I can simplify it and I can make it 4 over 7 whole square equals to 36 over area of PQR. Now 16 over 49. I can do that butterfly method or cross multiplication and find out my answer. So when you find out your answer, it is going to be 49 times 36 divided by 16. Simplify it, you will get your answer in the form of fractions, which is 441 divided by 4. Okay, because here it will get cancelled out. 4 times 4, 4 times 9. Now nothing is getting cancelled out. You simply multiply the numerators and get your answer. You can also use calculator. That would be better, I would suggest. Instead of doing manual calculation, go with the calculator thing. Okay, so that's how we can find out the area. Okay, now coming to the next question, here it is. So this question is based on lines and angles. Now I hope you know a few things about it. Before we start with this, y equals to mx plus c. This is the slope intercept form, and ax plus by plus c equals to 0. This is the standard form of equation, right? If I want to find out the slope of slope intercept form, it is clearly visible that slope is what? Slope is m here. And how to find out the slope of the standard form whenever equation is given in standard form? Instead of solving for y and then finding the value of slope, it's better to use the formula negative coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. What is the coefficient of x? A. So negative a over b. Because coefficient of y is b. So that's how we can easily find out the answer. Now let's come back to this question. Let's see what are they saying. So in the question they are saying the table shows three values of x and their corresponding values of y, where s is a constant. There is a linear relationship between x and y. Which of the following equations represents this relationship? So basically, 2 points are given, x and y. Can I find out the slope from here? Yes. Can I find out the slopes from here? Slope of each and every equation given? Yes, I can match. Whichever is equal, whichever slope gets equal to the slope from whatever we get from here, that will be our option. That will be our answer. So let's do it. Better to do it. I have 2 points. Let me write it down here. Negative 2s comma 28. And what is the other point? Negative s comma 23. Solve it. So if you are doing it, just do y2 minus y1, x1, y1, x2, y2. So I'll do 23 minus 28, negative s plus 2s. So I'll end up getting negative 5 over s. Now I'll find out the slope of these equations one by one. So if I want to find out this slope of first option, it is going to be negative coefficient of x. What is negative coefficient of x? It is negative s over. Coefficient of y is 5. So I'll write 5. It is not matching. So option 1 got eliminated. Let's go to option B. So negative coefficient of x is, it's 5, negative 5 over coefficient of y is s, negative 5 over s. This is matching. Still check the rest of the two, but I don't think so you need it, but it's easy to check, right? So here you'll get negative 5 over s, right? Now, here you will get negative s over 5. So this is obviously not matching. Why I told you to check? Because see, most of the students will say, oh teacher, I already got the slope here, why to check? But you're getting the same slope in both the options. Both the options cannot be the right answer, right? So what I'm going to do now, in one by one, in both of them, I'll take any one value. Let me take this because I think this is easy, and I'll take less calculation. So option B, put x equals to s and y equals to 13 and check. So in option B, if I'm putting y equals to 13 and x equals to 5, so I'll get 5s plus 13s equals to 18s. Now you will solve. X was s and y was 13. Now you will solve and check. Are you getting 18 here? Yes. When I'm adding, I'll get 18. So right hand side and left hand sides are equal. But here, if you put the same value, let's do it. 5s plus 13s. Will it give you 18 only? No, it will give you 18s. But in right hand side, it is only 18. So right hand side is not equal to left hand side. That means these points are not satisfying this equation. So option B will be the right answer. I hope you get it. If in case you have any doubt, please do let me know. And do practice these questions by your own. Thank you.